Hello everyone, my name is Rahul. In the previous video, we had discussed about ribosomes. In this video, we are going to discuss about cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton refers to an elaborate network of filamentous proteins present inside the cell. These are composed of microfilaments or intermediate filaments and microtubules. Microfilaments, they are composed of G-actin, and in almost all of the cells this G-actin it polymerizes to form F-actin. This F-actin it is present as entangled meshwork of approximate size 8 to 9 nanometers. The intermediate filaments, they are approximately 10 nanometer in size. They form rod-like elongated structures which are the stable components of cytoskeleton. So out of the three components, these are the most stable elements. The microtubules, they are composed of alpha and beta tubulin with a diameter of approximately 25 nanometers. These microtubules, they are essential for spindle formation during cell division. These microtubules, they also participate in endocytosis, that is movement of substances inside the cell, and exocytosis, that is movement of substances outside the cell. Vinca alkaloids, that is a group of anti-cancer drugs. These act by inhibiting microtubule formation, thus arresting the cell division in cancer cells. Vinca alkaloids interfere with the assembly of microtubules, thus they hamper the growth of cancer cells inside the body. Now talking about the functions of cytoskeleton. The first function, it provides shape to the cell. The second function is it is responsible for motility of cell. The third function is it also helps in chromosomal movement during cell division, that is by the help of spindle formation. Now molecular motors, these are proteins which are responsible for coordinated movement inside the cells and tissues. These molecular motors, they are usually driven by ATP energy. Examples are actin and myosin proteins, which are responsible for muscle contraction. The second example is dynein and tubulin proteins. These are responsible for movement of cilia and flagella. With this, we finish off with our discussion on cytoskeleton. See you in next video.